Welcome! This Ivanti video introduces File Director Cloud connectors and summarises how to set up the connector for OneDrive. But first, a bit of context. What is File Director? Essentially, it's a file syncing solution that enables the centralised backup of corporate data. It does this securely for all devices the user needs, from their desktops and laptops to shared VMs and mobile devices, and it does this unobtrusively for the user. File Director gives you control of local disk management. Historically, File Director has been doing this for on-premise storage using SMB file sharing. More recently, File Director offers cloud connectors to enable management of cloud storage for user data too. The first cloud connector added to File Director was for Office 365 OneDrive. Users are entitled to a terabyte of free Microsoft Cloud storage for their OneDrive for Business account. Without File Director, this storage is difficult for administrators to manage. Files are inaccessible outside of the OneDrive client, OneDrive does not provide access to existing on-premise file shares, and users are constrained to work from a single folder. But with File Director, you can gain far greater use from the storage available. You can configure the cloud storage as the location for your user's home map point. Once configured, updates to user files are automatically synced to their OneDrive storage. Files are up to date regardless of whether File Director or the OneDrive clients were used to edit or view them. If planning to migrate user files from SMB to cloud storage, File Director can help enable huge savings in infrastructure, storage and maintenance costs. The migration from on-premise to cloud storage is achieved via policy changes within File Director. At every step of the migration, user data is synced to the cloud and remains fully available across all user devices, whilst the user experience remains unchanged. Setting up a cloud connector. What is a cloud connector? Essentially, it's a software configuration that permits File Director to access and to manage your cloud storage accounts. Setup of the Cloud Connector for OneDrive comprises four main steps. Firstly, you log in to Azure AD as an Office 365 administrator. You register File Director as a new app. This process provides you with an app ID. You then configure and grant Office 365 SharePoint Online API permissions for your app. With the app ID from Azure, you can configure the Cloud Connector in File Director. In File Director Cloud Connectors, choose the OneDrive option. Enter the tenant name. This is the domain name recognised by Azure AD. Enter the Azure App ID, and then generate a new security pair. Then you go back to Azure AD. You upload the public key of your security certificate and the connector is set up. Now, in File Director, you can create a OneDrive home map point and then assign an access policy for users as required. So in summary, the app ID created in Azure is entered into the connector config in File Director and the security key is generated. The key is uploaded to Azure to create the secure connector. Back in File Director, you can now add map points and configure policy. With cloud connectors, File Director can offer the very best of both worlds. Using policies, you can specify where and when user data is backed up. For example, highly sensitive or shared data could remain on-premise, whilst less restricted data could be cloud-based. Using File Director, you can manage your hybrid storage from just one place. Further information. Don't forget, whatever your storage policy is, File Director can provide clear visibility of the backup status across your estate. File Director provides a stream of syslogs that can be used with our free open source dashboards to provide visibility of the sync and migration status. At a glance, you can view your user's cache size, review the throughput of data, see when a user's data is or is not in sync. The dashboards and reporting allow you to answer real-world questions such as how many appliances you might need for your deployment, what local storage you can get rid of, and how that redundant storage could benefit your budget. Complete step-by-step instructions describing how to set up the File Director connectors are available in the File Director help. Just enter help.ivanti.com into your browser and scroll to File Director, or click the Help icon from within the File Director console. If you are new to File Director, why not visit our product homepage and request a demo? Thank you for watching this Ivanti video.